Now in the charts, we have something they call time frame. Now this chart, we have the 8 hours, the 1 day, the 1 week. If I click on more, you will see that we have the 1 hour, which is the 60 minutes, the 1 minute, the 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 2 hours, and 4 hours. So this time frame, you can use it to change the charts. It's just, let me just explain this time frame. We have a master class whereby we'll teach you how to analyze the market very well. Okay, here is just to explain so that you can have the basic knowledge on how this thing works. Now, this time frame is just to change this chart. Sorry, it's just to change this side. If I should click on the 60 minutes, which is the 1 hour, you see that the chart will change. Look, are you seeing it? The chart has changed. So it's showing me the current chart of 1 hour. So it simply means that for every 1 hour, this new candle will form. They call it Japanese candlestick. So it takes one candle 1 hour to form. Okay, so if I click on the 30 minutes time frame, the same thing, every 30 minutes, new candles will form. Now, this thing you're seeing here, this other stuff you're seeing here, is called indicator. It's all those indicator does. Look at these lines you're seeing here. It's also called indicator. This small line you're seeing here. The indicator work is to help you analyze the market. It's not 100% perfect. It will tell you where the market is going, but it only plays like 20% in predicting the market. The 80% lies on how you analyze the market the right way, which I'm going to show you in the master class. Okay, but for now, just enjoy this. So once you click on the link slash USDT to take you to this page, if you scroll down, you'll see some all this stuff you're seeing here is just the buyers and the sellers. Some people are trying to buy at this price, some people are trying to sell at this price. That is why you see market moving. Market is changing direction. Okay, that is what they call the order book. Okay. Now if you click on recent trades, you will see the recent trade you have been doing has been going on in the market. If you click on token info, this token info simply means that you want to check the information of this particular coin called link. Okay, once you click on token info, it will show you the market capitalization, which is this one here. It will show you the circulating supply, total supply, the mass supply. Now, the market capitalization simply means the amount of money that have been invested on the coin so far all over the world. Okay, so currently the total fund that has been invested in Chainlink is 12. This is 12, 1, 2, 3. This is $12.6 billion. Okay, that has been invested in Chainlink project so far. Okay, the circulating supply is 459,509,553 links. That is what is produced to be in circulation. Okay, while the total supply is 1 billion, the mass supply, the maximum supply that will be supplied is 1 billion. Okay, so that is that. So you can read about the coin when you scroll down. You see what the coin is meant for, what the coin is doing, the technology behind the coin, and the partners behind the coin. And you can as well go to their website by clicking this one. You see the website chainlink.link. Okay, so let me see the time. This is 3 minutes. We still have like 1, 2 minutes. Okay, so now that you have known what this page is meant for, you see this page they hold 24 hours high, 24 hours low. Now it's telling you that in 24 hours, this is the highest point of chain leak. Chain leak has gone, have done 28.18%, $28.18 today, the highest point that it has reached. Now the lowest point it has reached for today is $25, 25.19, which is the second one you're seeing here. Okay, if you check the lowest point is around here, while the highest point is around here, is 28.1844. Okay, why it's now showing you the volume in USDT. This volume simply mean, let me delete so I can, this volume, look at the volume in USDT. It simply means that 12,497,166 has been traded on kucoin today. $12 million have been traded. That means buyers and sellers all together, the volume that they have traded today is $12.4 million. Okay, that is what. And this part you are seeing that the market is changing. The price of the coin is changing per seconds. Why? Because the market is moving up and down, up and down. That is why you're seeing is changing. As you can see, the current market price is here. See this one they wrote in blue, 26.96. This one here is, you see it's moving, it's moving. So that is what is making it to change. Yeah, the price is not stable. Any price that is stable, that means a stable coin. So this one is not stable, it must go up and down. Okay. So let me stop the video here because of this